How's it going, everyone? It's David here, and today we are here at Idlewild and SoakZone. This is actually my first time here for the season, and even though the park is closing pretty soon, I thought I might as well just come out and see what's going on. Here is the map for Idlewild this season, and because of COVID, high contact areas and social distancing, Jumpin Jungle and Storybook Forest are closed this year. And today, all the other areas of the park are open until 6 p.m. The renovated bathrooms here in Old Idlewild is not open, and it looks like they haven't been open all season. The Ferris Wheel does not have any seats on. Here is the recently refurbished Roundup. Has a new orange paint scheme and a nice new accessible entrance and exit ramp. Unfortunately, the Rollo Coaster is closed for the entire season this year. This is mainly due because you have to have like a partner if you have a kid, as well as you have to be under a certain weight. It has very weird restrictions, and adding on top of the COVID precautions, then yeah, there's pretty much no way how you could ride this year. I don't ever recall seeing this sign about the new train that this ride has. I have never seen the line this short for the Wild Mouse. This is great. Alright, just got off of the Wild Mouse, not just once, but twice. And that is the only Vekoma wild mouse in existence. And to be honest, it's one of the best wild mice, if not the best wild mouse I've ever been on. The laterals are very, very violent, and when you go over the hills, you actually get some very nice airtime, especially on those first two hills. You actually get some pretty good ejector. So it's an excellent ride. It's the only coaster open here right now, but it is a good one.
It's a very scary sign right out there. You will die if you ride this train. 3.
Seems like almost everyone in the park is in line for Daniel Tiger's neighborhood right now. Definitely the longest line here. Most likely because they are short-handed. A lot of the rides have rotating operators. As of right now, the hand cars are closed. Which is a shame because this is one of my favorite rides here.
Nothing makes sense here.
So it's about 3:30 in the park right now, and it's actually getting quite a bit of crowd. However, there's still enough for social distancing, so it's actually good to see. This is the line for Patch Fries, the Mine Chef Kitchen. Definitely a long line. While social distancing wasn't much of a problem today, if you ever feel the need to get away from the crowd, come back here by the picnic groves. Very quiet, very shaded. Quite beautiful, actually. Very nice. Very beautiful little amusement park. And that's going to do it here at Idlewild and SoakZone. Despite sections of the park being closed off and some of the rides being closed for the season, I actually had a pretty fun time here. Highlights today was riding the Wild Mouse. That was just a really solid little coaster. And we went into the water park earlier today. That was a nice little time. And getting on some of the classic rides here in the park, riding the train. Overall, what I like about Idlewild so much is that it's very laid back here. It's kind of relaxing, and even if the crowds are a little heavy at times, there's always something else that you could do, and that's exactly what happened today. When we first got here, the park was not busy at all, but then by 2 o'clock or so, a crowd started picking up, and it's actually very good to see. Now, Idlewild is closing on Labor Day this year, so there isn't much time to get back out here this year, but they are planning on reopening for next year, which is always great to see. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content. And with that being said, thank you all for riding, and I'll see you next time.